VisualBasic.net Tutorial Series 2025. Let's see the topics we are going to cover in VisualBasic.net Tutorial Series. Here is the 18 levels roadmap to learn VisualBasic.net. Level 1 Basics of VB.net. Level 2 Control Structures. Level 3 Procedures and Functions. Level 4 Object-Oriented Programming. Level 5 Error Handling. Level 6 Collections and Arrays. Level 7 String and Text Handling. Level 8 Date and Time. Level 9 File Input or Output. Level 10 Windows Forms. Level 11 Graphics and Drawing. Level 12 Data Access. Level 13 Web Interaction. Level 14 Threads and Tasks. Level 15 Security and Encryption. Level 16 Deployment. Level 17 Unit Testing. Level 18 Advanced Concept. So far we saw 18 level roadmap to learn VB.NET programming language and 90 topics included in VB.NET tutorial series. Videos will be posted part by part. Thank you for watching this video. I am Rohan. If this video is useful, please like, subscribe, and share. If you have doubt or have feedback, please send us a mail. Stay tuned.